Did you know that in ancient Rome, urine was a valuable commodity? Let's take a trip back in time to the bustling streets of Rome, where public urinals were a common sight. These weren't just any urinals, though. They were strategically located throughout the city, catering to the needs of the masses. People from all walks of life would relieve themselves into pots, contributing to a communal pool of, well, pee. But don't be quick to cringe. This collected urine wasn't going to waste. Instead, it was carefully emptied into cesspools, waiting for its next chapter of use. In the world of ancient Rome, urine was more than just a waste product. It was a resource, a commodity. It played a major role in various trades and industries, a role that we'll delve into in our next scene. So the next time you think of public restrooms, remember that in ancient Rome, they served a much different purpose. Imagine a world where urine was more than just waste. In ancient Rome, it was a valuable resource. This might sound bizarre to us, but to the Romans, it was an everyday reality. Urine was used in a variety of trades and industries. In the tanning industry, urine was used to soften animal hides. The ammonia found in urine helped to loosen hair and flesh from the skins, making them easier to work with. In the laundry business, urine was used as a form of bleach to whiten clothes. It may not sound appealing, but it was effective. In addition, urine was also used in some medicinal practices. For instance, it was believed that certain ailments could be treated with urine therapy. So, urine was not just waste, but a valuable resource that played a significant role in Rome's economy. It was collected, sold, and taxed, just like any other commodity. And that's a fact that might make you see your next trip to the bathroom in a whole new light. It may sound strange to us now, but in 70 AD, Emperor Vespasian reenacted a tax on urine distribution. This was no ordinary tax, and it wasn't just for any old urine. This was a tax on the urine collected from Rome's bustling public urinals. Imagine the scene. Romans from all walks of life contributing to these communal pots, their waste becoming a resource for the city. But who was paying this so-called urine tax? Well, it was those who saw value in the urine and bought it for its various uses. From tanners who used it to soften and clean leather, to launderers who found it handy for removing stains, to even alchemists who believed it had medicinal properties. All had to pay the urine tax. It's a bit of a mind-boggler, isn't it? Urine, something we consider waste, was seen as a valuable commodity in ancient Rome. So not only was urine a valuable commodity, but it was also a taxable resource. When Vespasian's son, Titus, expressed disgust at the urine tax, Vespasian had a witty reply up his sleeve. This is where the story of Vespasian's jest begins. Titus, like many of us today, was taken aback by the thought of taxing something as seemingly unimportant as urine. He voiced his concerns to his father, indicating that such a tax was beneath the dignity of the empire. But Vespasian, ever the pragmatist, saw things differently. He held up a gold coin, the product of this urine tax, and asked his son if the coin smelled. When Titus replied, "No," Vespasian retorted, "yet it comes from urine." This jest gave rise to the Latin saying, "pecunia non olet," which translates to "money does not stink." So the next time you handle money, remember Vespasian's words, "Money does not stink." After all, value is found in the most unexpected places. Vespasian's legacy lives on even today. In the bustling city squares of Italy and the charming boulevards of France, you'll find remnants of Rome's ancient past. Public urinals, those unsung heroes of urban convenience, bear a name that speaks volumes about their storied history. In Italy, they're christened Vespasiano, and in France, they're affectionately known as Vespasien. These monikers are a nod to Emperor Vespasian, whose ingenious urine tax turned a humble necessity into a thriving industry. His name has become synonymous with these public facilities, a testament to his lasting impact on urban planning and public health. It's a peculiar kind of immortality, isn't it? But then again, history is full of such quirks. So the next time you spot a Vespasiano or Vespasien, take a moment to appreciate the rich tapestry of events that led to its existence. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe.